Good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the properties of alcohols for the type cleavage of CO bond. So in previous class we have discussed the properties of alcohols by the cleavage of OH bond. So today that is the second type, that is cleavage of by the cleavage of CO bond. You see the CO bond, that is R, O and H. Find the C. C is present in alkyl group. Suppose for example H3COH. So this is the cleavage of CO bond. So depends on the cleavage of CO bond, there are properties of alcohols. So we'll discuss one by one. So cleavage of CO bonds. So first properties, that is with hydrogen halide, reaction with hydrogen halide. In first lesson, that is in lesson number 10, first lesson of part 2, that is lesson number 10, haloalkane and haloarine, that is a preparation of alcohols. You know, that is then properties of alcohols. So there is the from alcohols, preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols, that is the first equation, that is first reaction, that is in presence of Lucas reagent HCl and ZnCl2, that reaction. Okay, so that is here ROH plus, what is that, HX in presence of ZnCl2. HX plus ZnCl2 is a Lucas reagent to form, what is that, RX plus HOH, that is your H2. So this one. Okay, this is the first step, that is with hydrogen halide or hydrohalic acid. So if primary and secondary, then requires ZnCl. If the alcohol is tertiary, then it do not requires ZnCl, because tertiary alcohol is more reactive. Okay, then second in that batch, in that side, that is the 5 important chemical reactions are there. So in that batch, okay, that is your phosphorus trichloride with phosphorus trichloride, that is your ROH plus phosphorus trichloride PCl3 to form RCl plus H3PO3, that is hydrogen phosphide. Okay, then so these are the two properties with hydrohalic acid, ZnCl2, Lucas reagent, and ROH PCl3. These two reactions are in lesson 10. Okay, that is your haloalkane and haloarine. Then third bit. So these are, I think all of you clear about these two reactions. Okay, then next is your dehydration. So in dehydration, that is in class 10 you have read dehydration, that at 443 Kelvin in presence of concentrated H2SO4, when alcohols are heated, then it that is emit or eliminate the small molecules H2O. Okay, so that is known as to form alkene, that is known as dehydration due to the removal of H2O. Okay, so to form alcohol to alkene, so it is dehydration. Hydration, addition of water. Dehydration, removal of water. Okay, so we'll there is a dehydration of alcohols. So we'll describe primary, secondary and tertiary, and we'll see what are the reactivity. Okay, suppose CH3 CH2. Okay, you write like this, H OH in presence of acid H2SO4, 443 Kelvin to form CH2, double bond CH2. You see, water removed, H2O. Okay, then this is the dehydration of alcohols, primary alcohols. Then we will go to the secondary alcohols, that is CH3, CH, CH2, OH, H. This is your CH3, this is your CH3, this one is your CH3, no problem, okay? And this is your secondary alcohol. Again dehydration. Okay, water will be removed. So this is your dehydration, that is your in presence of, for temperature is your 440 Kelvin, temperature decreases, H3PO4, acidic strength also decreases. This one is your sulfuric acid, this one is your phosphoric acid or orthophosphoric acid. Strength decreases means the secondary alcohol being the more reactive. This is your primary, this is your secondary. Okay, then tertiary. Okay. Okay, tertiary I am writing here, then at last we will arrange. Okay, then tertiary alcohol CH3, C, CH2, you write here OH, you write here H, here CH3. Okay, you see. You can write here or you can write here. Okay, so that is okay. That is H3PO4. Okay, in presence of 380 Kelvin to form CH3, C. Here double bond. Also, sorry, CH3, CH, double bond here, CH2 plus H2O. Okay, here CH2. Okay, bond CH3 plus H2. This is also H3PO4. Okay, so if you compare in all these reaction, will temperature decreases. Okay, and acidic strength decreases. Again, that also acidic strength decreases. It is your 80%. This one is your 80% strength. Okay, this is your 20%. Okay, so these are all about the comparison of alcohol, primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. So which one is more reactive? Tertiary is greater than secondary, is greater than primary. All of you clear, children? Then we will do one mechanism of hydrate, that is your alcohol to alkene. This one, mechanism of this one. This one is also important. Okay. Mechanism. Alcohol to alkene. In first mechanism we have, in this lesson, first mechanism we have discussed about alkene to alcohol. This one is reverse. Alcohol to alkene, because this is the properties. So step 1. So alcohol CH3, that is your CH2 and OH. CH3, CH2, OH. Okay. The first bit, if you that is known as protonation. Okay. That is protonated alcohol or protonation. First bit, if you add in presence of acid, dehydration takes place in presence of acid. Acid gives the proton. The substance which gives the proton, that is known as acid. Okay, or furnishes the proton, that is known as acid. Okay, so first you take the proton from acid, then you add with this one, that is known as proton. All the chemical, there also protonation. Okay, the step 1 is your protonation. Then what will happen? This is your nucleophile. I have told you previously. I have told you alcohol acts as both electrophile and nucleophile. Then it will form CH3, CH2, OH2 plus. Clear? You can write in expand form also. or OH2. Then step 2. Okay, formation of carbocation. Step 2 here. Formation of carbocation. This is your protonation. Formation of carbocation. You see this one. Okay, bond CH2, OH2 gives oxygen and carbon. This bond is between carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. This one. Okay. So this one is more electronegative. More electronegative element is positive. So it will easily accept the bond of share pair electron of carbon, and it will be detached as neutral. Then it H2 will give up H2O, or it will form H2O plus water. This is your carbocation. Carbocation. I think all of you clear. Then step 3. Okay, protonation, deprotonation. Okay, because catalysts are only carry out the reaction, participate in the reaction, but do not form any product. All of you know about that, or faster the chemical reaction. Okay, these are catalysts. Deprotonation. So acid act here in the process of dehydration, act as catalyst, and acid gives the H plus. This is acid. Clear? So acting and removing. Deprotonation, that is your CH3. Okay, I am expanding this for understand. H, C, H, positive. Okay, so here carbon is positive, so this bond will be absorbed. This bond to form double bond. In previous classes we have read in class 11, that is known as hyperconjugation. Okay, so by hyperconjugation, that carbon atom having the hydrogen hybrid orbital, that electron will goes to the vacant orbital of this carbon. Okay, it will form C double bond C, H here, H plus. But what about this hydrogen? It will be positive. It will be plus. This is known as removal of proton or deprotonation. So this is the important mechanism. These questions came in previous year. Okay, this mechanism and that alkene to alcohol, alcohol to alkene. Both the mechanism are important and they are came in examination. Okay, then this is the third properties of cleavage of CO bond. CO bond is continuing. Cleavage of CO bond. Then next one is your oxidation. Fourth, oxidation. Oxidation first with mild oxidizing agent. With mild oxidizing agent, Cr2O3 PCC, or then second bit with strong oxidizing agent. There is your alkaline KMnO4 or acetate K2Cr2O7. So you see mild and strong, and another heated with copper at 573 Kelvin. Third, heated with copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, these are the three oxidation steps of alcohol. First one, second one, third one. First one, alcohol gives the aldehyde. Second one, strong oxidizing agent, so alcohol directly gives carboxylic acid. Okay, and third one, that is known as heating of copper at 573 Kelvin, removal of hydrogen, dehydration. It will be dehydration. So one by one we will do. So first we will do the first one, that is with a mild oxidizing agent. What will give? You see, it will give the aldehyde. Okay, you see. Suppose R CH bond OH, you can write here H. Okay, in presence of CrO3, it will removal of H2, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Dehydration means removal of water. Hydration means addition of water. Dehalogenation means removal of halogen. Halogenation means addition of halogen. All of you clear? So this is your CH plus H2, aldehyde, alcohol to aldehyde, reduction by mild oxidizing agent CrO3 or PCC. Similarly, strong oxidizing agent, that is your acidified or alkaline KMnO4. It will form directly carboxylic acid, addition of extra oxygen here. Okay, and H, another H will replace H2O. It will form H2O. So this is the difference. Okay, mild and strong. Then heated with copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, it again three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. We will discuss one by one. So first, primary. CH, you write here H. Okay. Then copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, 573 Kelvin heated copper. It will form dehydrogenation. That is your CH3 CHO plus H2. This is your primary. Okay, then I am writing here secondary CH3 CHOH CH3 at copper 573 Kelvin. Then it will form, you see, hydrogen H2 will be replaced and it will form double bond ketone. Okay, that is CH3 bond C double bond O CH3 plus H2 ketone. This one is your aldehyde. Then tertiary. Tertiary is the important. This will most important. Okay, will maximum time coming in the examination. Okay, tertiary CH3 CH3. Okay, you write here OH. OH. Then CH2 H, right? Like this. You can write CH3 also. CH3 OH. Then copper 573 Kelvin. Temperature and catalyst are similar. Cu 573 Kelvin. Okay. Cu 573 Kelvin. Cu 573 Kelvin. You remember that one. Then it will form. You see, very easy. Water. These are hydrogen. Okay. But here we will remove water. CH3 CCH3 double bond CH2 plus water. This is your secondary, this one is your tertiary. Okay, so I think all of you clear about the oxidation of alcohols. Okay, this is also a cleavage of CO bond. Then next we will discuss, that is a reaction of phenols. We will discuss in the next class. So you go through all the properties. That is your first. What is the first one? Reaction with HCl, ZnCl2. And second one, reaction with phosphorus trichloride. And third one, dehydration. And fourth one, oxidation. Okay, you remember like this. Cleavage of CO bond, first reaction with hydrogen halide. This reaction also in previous lesson, that is all relations are related. All relations in organic chemistry are related to each other. Okay, I think 20 to 30% are similar. Okay, so you prepare a mind map. Okay, for each lesson, and remember, if any doubt you ask me. Okay, you can personally phone calls me also. Okay, so all the lessons in organic chemistry are very easy. You go through the concept, you clear the concept, you read the NCERT book. All the questions from the NCERT book. 100% questions will come from inside the NCERT books. Okay, so no need to see any other books. If you clear after clarification of NCERT book, then you go through the reference or anything. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss the reaction of phenols. Okay, so thank you. Okay, you go through the video.